At the end of May 2026, weather conditions across several regions of Russia turned into one of the most unexpected and dramatic periods of the season. From the North Caucasus to Siberia and even parts of central Russia, residents reported sudden atmospheric changes where calm skies quickly turned dark, followed by strong winds and heavy hailstorms that struck settlements, vehicles, and vegetation with little warning. In the Caucasian mineral waters region, the most widely documented impacts occurred around Pyatigorsk, Yessentuki, and Mineralnye Vody. Footage from stanitsas, such as Yessentukskaya, Sanomer, and Borgostanskaya, showed large hailstones falling heavily, bouncing off rooftops and striking roads with intense force. Local residents described the event as a small apocalypse due to how quickly the environment changed from calm weather to chaotic conditions within minutes. A resident of Pyatigorsk described the situation in panic, stating that hail fell like solid balls striking parked cars repeatedly. Many vehicles were reported to have suffered significant damage, including dented bodies, cracked windshields, and severe exterior impacts. Gardens and vegetation were also affected, with flowers destroyed and trees losing leaves as if they had been hit by a violent storm. District officials in Predgorny, including Nikolai Bondarenko, confirmed the situation in Yessentukskaya and stated that they were closely monitoring developments while urging residents to remain cautious of further weather activity. However, the impact was not limited to a single region. Similar reports emerged from other cities across southern Russia. In Krasnodar, heavy rain accompanied by thunderstorms lasted for nearly half a day and raised concerns about rising water levels in the Kuban River basin. Meanwhile, in Tyumen, residents reported even more extreme conditions, including hail combined with strong winds and lightning, occurring only minutes after people had returned home. Some described the scene as resembling a small apocalypse due to the intensity and suddenness of the weather. In Tyumen, forecasts also indicated worsening conditions over the following days, with wind speeds reaching 18 to 23 meters per second and continued rainfall with possible hail. Within a short period, total precipitation was estimated to approach a significant portion of the monthly average, further raising concerns among residents. Similar phenomena were also reported in Moscow. residents noted that hail suddenly fell after temperatures had previously reached around 30 degrees Celsius just days earlier. This sharp temperature contrast surprised many people and led to widespread discussion about unusual weather instability. Additional reports from Izhevsk and areas near Chelyabinsk described varying intensities of hailstorms as well. In some locations, strong winds forced outdoor work to stop temporarily and even caused brief power disruptions. Across social media channels, residents consistently described similar patterns. Hailstones ranging from small pellets to sizes comparable to tennis balls, sudden wind gusts, and extensive damage to vehicles parked outdoors. Many people said they had no time to protect their cars or plants before the storm arrived.
Что? Нет, лучше репетитора. Лучше драить туалет, чем учить дочку? Ну, сортиры хотя бы не...
This series of events has drawn widespread attention because it occurred almost simultaneously across widely separated regions. From the Caucasus to Siberia, and from Krasnodar to Moscow, extreme weather appeared to unite these areas under a shared experience of rapid and unpredictable atmospheric change. Although the storms have passed in some locations, their impact remains visible. Cracked car windows, stripped trees, damaged crops, and countless personal accounts of how just a few minutes of weather could feel like an entire season had changed in an instant.
Такой градик у нас.
Ой, бля, прям на машину. Прям на машину.